We touch our phones 2000 times a day.
Use your phone a lot?
I do, and my parents would say I'm addicted to it.
Also makes it easy to fall into the trap of cell phone addiction, which is a real thing.
You think you use your phone a lot?
Yeah, I do.
We swipe, we scroll, we double tap. But why? Are we really in control? Or are we addicted? We really don't know. Me personally, I used to think that I wasn't addicted to phone, I wasn't addicted to social media, but recently when I checked my screen time, oh my god. It was freaking 8 hours. Can you imagine? 8 hours. It's a whole 9 to 5 job, that sort of thing. That I was spending my time on just a freaking smartphone device. I mean, it's not our fault, right? Apps are typically designed such that a user will automatically get connected to them. Apps are designed to keep us hooked. Every like, every message, it gives us a small hit of dopamine in our brain. It feels good. So we keep coming back and coming back to the same app. And you know which app? Mostly Instagram. We think we are choosing to scroll, but most of the time we are just reacting to it. अब आप में से कई लोग बोलेंगे कि सिड भाई देखो इससे क्या ही होगा, बस मेरा टाइम जाएगा. नहीं. It typically affects your whole body, your whole lifestyle. Too much screen time messes with our sleep, our focus, even our happiness. तुम खुद की खुशियाँ त्याग रहे हो just because of a small app inside your mobile. Even feel tired after scrolling for hours? That's not just in your head. It's because your head is seeking small doses of dopamine whenever you react to a meme, whenever you react to a story, और जब भी तुम ये ऐप खोलते हो. See, I am not saying that phones are evil, but if you lose control, they will control your life and they will drastically change your entire life. Now, as many of you have found this stuff relatable with your daily lifestyle, you might be thinking, what's the best solution for it? Do I have to uninstall Instagram? Yeah, it might be a solution actually. But after a gap of 2 to 3 days, you will automatically reinstall Instagram thinking that yes, I have obtained control over it and I have obtained control over the addiction, but that's not the real case. देखिए, एक exercise try करते हैं, ठीक है? What I have done, I have quit the Instagram for 7 days. No social media, no morning opening the first app as the Instagram after waking up, and some other exercises. What I did was typically made myself busy in doing daily stuff, in my daily routine. So that मेरे brain ने मुझे खुद से कहा कि भाई ये Instagram वगैरह ना, इसमें टाइम पास मत कर. मैं खुद के रूटीन में इतना बिजी हो गया ना, जिसकी वजह से Instagram was as if वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता मेरे लिए. So the basic answer to this question, that how to quit Instagram addiction, is to make yourself busy. Is to make yourself busy into something that you love. Is to make yourself busy in learning a new skill, in learning or achieving something that you have been thinking from a lot of time. हाँ, आई नो कि पहले बहुत बोर होगा, कुछ नया लगेगा, ऐसा लगेगा कि वक्त बहुत धीमे गुजर रहा है. बट आई प्रॉमिस यू दिस वन लिटिल थिंग, दैट योर प्रोडक्टिविटी विल ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज. यू विल मेक योरसेल्फ बिजी इनटू अचीविंग सम हायर गोल्स, सो दैट इस छिंदी ऐप की वजह से ना आपकी जिंदगी नहीं रुकेगी. See, you don't have to completely shut down Instagram. Some simple steps like Instagram के notification सारे के सारे disable कर दीजिए. Simply जगने के बाद पहली चीज जो हम करते हैं कि फोन लेके Instagram खोलते हैं, we don't have to do that. And try to control yourself कि Instagram ना खोले. Not only Instagram, I'm speaking about any stuff or any social media that you have been addicted to. Your attention is very powerful. Use it very much wisely in your life. And don't let your screen get your attention more value than it deserves. This was not for just a screen. Hope you guys understand. Subscribe for more.
It's going down like a rodeo.